What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger video, and it's your boy Ola Tony here. I'm back again to give you guys more quality content. So in today's video, I took a trade with my divergence strategy, which I always teach you guys. So there are different strategies attached to the divergence strategy. So I think this strategy I've not even taught anyone on YouTube yet. So I took a trade based on this strategy. I analyzed everything: our entry, our stop loss, our TP. So if you want to find out how I did it, stay tuned. So in today's video, I want to just show you guys a quick scalping strategy I use. You can use to catch concentration in the market, and this strategy is very pretty accurate. And you watch how I'm going to do that, because I'm going to enter a trade right now, and I'm going to show you guys the results after, so you can see how profitable this strategy is. So now what you need to do is that just log on to your MT4 or MT5. I'm using MT5 here. Then go to your indicators, add the RSI, because we're trading divergence, so we need an indicator. You know, there are a lot of indicators you can use. You can use the awesome oscillator, MACD, and stochastic oscillator. Yeah, so I'll just go with RSI. RSI is pretty okay for us. So now this is how the strategy works. If you can notice from the trend, we have a strong bearish momentum and a strong downtrend, if you can see. So now we want to catch the continuation, because the trend is your friend, always, like they say. So why don't we follow the trend? So what we need to do is that we need to spot a divergence. So can we find the divergence? Obviously there's one here. We can see that this is giving us a higher high, while this is giving us a lower low. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Can you guys see this? This is divergence. So what you need to do, you need to highlight this supply zone here. Highlight it and wait for the market to come into that zone. As the market came to that zone, yes, the market has came into that supply zone. So what do you do when you see the market? You enter for yourself. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to enter for myself. I should have entered the trade, but I said, let me explain it to you guys and let me enter it live, so that you guys can see how profitable this strategy is. So I'm going to enter now. Then now I took two positions. Then our TP will be here. This will be our TP, 286.12. So this will be our TP. So let me allow this trade to run. Then after we're done, I'll show you guys the result. So guys, back to the trade. We've almost hit TP right now. We've almost hit TP. In any moment from now, our TP will be hit. So let's just wait and see our TP being hit. Yep. And finally, guys, we smashed the TP. So let's see profit we made today. We made $46 with just this simple strategy. You see, guys, this is real and true. This is raw. So if you want to see more videos on strategies like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any question or anything, comment, and I'll be posting more videos like this, testing this result live, and so that you guys can see that these things actually work. So see you guys next time.